Hey folks, figured I better drop in and give you at least an update. I know it's been a couple weeks. I didn't mean it to be, but I lost a bunch of footage. A couple of memory cards took a crap on me, and I'm trying to recover them. I got a couple algorithms I can run to try to recover that kind of stuff. So I'm going to try to recover what I can. Hopefully they'll make sense when I do all that. One of them was this nifty little, I call it a makeup bag. It's a neat little bag. We introduced a rolled seam, a rolled edge on the top here, and we installed a zipper on that one. So that was our new skill for that one. The one after that I also lost most of, I got some of it, was for a field notes book, just a cover to go over that. Hold a couple of cards, put your pen on it, and that kind of thing. It's a neat little book to have. But I have lost a bunch of that. That one's got a snap on it, so we're going to learn how to set a snap. The biker/trucker wallet. Working on a very simplified design, and I think I had video making that pattern as well. So that kind of stinks to lose that. I did the patterning on that, just to show you how my thought process goes when I'm making a pattern. But that one, I'm hoping I can recover at least part of that, most of that one. I think I have most of that one. So I'm going to try to get stuff finished up, get it up with any videos I can. I'm working through some Christmas orders right now. I quit taking orders in December 1st, and I don't start up again until January 1st, so that gives me time to catch everything up, usually. This year's been a little slower, so I should have a little more time. But we'll get her all caught up and get back to these beginner videos. Hopefully I'll still have some that I can make work. We'll see how that goes. Other than that, that's about it. So this is just a little update, let you know what's going on. I know it's been a couple of weeks, so it may be a couple more just because I'm getting through some of this other stuff. We had a bit of a cold snap here. It was till today it got up to 20. Got up to 20 degrees today. And it's just a little chilly. It gets cold in my shop. I keep it as warm as I can, but I didn't finish winterizing like I usually do. So I've got to get that done. And get after it. Got snow on the ground. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. If I'm not back before Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that goodness. And I'll get you with you in the next video. Y'all stay safe, God bless, and take care.